Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add a password to a PDF document. Firstly, go to the file that you want to lock and right-click on it. Then, click on Choose Another App. From this list, select the option of Word document and click on Just Once. Once your PDF file is converted into an editable Word file, click on Enable Editing. After that, click on File option from your top left corner. Click on Save As from the left panel. Click on Browse and select the folder where you want to save it. Add your file name and select File Type as a PDF document. Now click on Options. Set the page range as All, and from PDF Options, select the option Encrypt the document with a password. Click on OK to proceed further. Now, you just need to enter the password that you want to set for this file. Re-enter the password and click on OK. Once done, click on Save to save your file. Now your PDF document has been locked. You'll need to enter the password to access it. Enter the password and click on OK. Now, close this file and reopen it from the folder where we have saved it. As you can see, our PDF file has been locked. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.